Welcome back to the YouTube channel of Dev Club BCA. I am Adwait, and in this video I will be teaching you about recursion. Right. So before learning about recursion, you should have fundamental knowledge about the conditional operators and if else and also functions. If you haven't seen the videos that we uploaded on those topics before this video, I highly encourage you that you on those topics. So what is recursion, right? Recursion is nothing but the process of calling the function inside its body repeatedly until a certain condition is met. So if we look at a certain simple program, let's do. So having a look at this simple program, what I have here is a function named countdown with the parameter n, and inside it there is a if structure, right? If else ladder, only one step. If n equals to the n, if n equals to 0, I want the control from this function to return to the main, and if n is not equal to 0 but greater than 1, then I want to print what n is and return countdown n minus 1, calling the function repeatedly inside itself, right? So here I have countdown, and then inside this countdown function definition I have called countdown with the parameter n minus 1. What it will do is every time it encounters this, right, it will decrement the value like 9. So on the first run it will discover that the n value is 9. So the first if will return a false value, as 9 is not equal to 0 and of course 9 is greater than 1. So the else if will be returning a true value. For that value, this code will run, right? So what it will do, print f %d /n, it will print the value of n and then go to a new line, and then I want to return as you saw here. I can also give multiple parameters to this function. The first parameter is 9, the second parameter is a character type and the character is a, the third parameter is character type 2 and it is b. So every time this function runs on the first iteration, when I call this function right here, so the values that will be passed will be corresponding to the parameters, and then the second time the function gets recursed and called again, the values of b and a, the two characters will interchange, right? And after that only b and a will be printed. So that was all regarding recursion. Thank you for watching.